Why do 70% of visitors claim to hear whispers in the Stanley Theatre? Let's uncover the truth. Nestled in the heart of Vancouver, the Stanley Theatre isn't just a hotspot for classic plays and musicals. This historic venue is riddled with spine-chilling tales that will make your skin crawl. Legend has it a ghostly figure named Raymond, a former stagehand, roams the backstage area. Visitors report seeing flickering lights, moving shadows, and even feeling an icy touch. But that's not all. Some say they've heard eerie piano music echoing through the empty halls. Others have seen a mysterious woman in white gliding silently past the balcony. Are these mere tricks of the mind or echoes from the past? Now, one thing's for sure, the Stanley Theatre's history holds more than just performances. Want to experience the paranormal? Visit the Stanley Theatre if you dare. Subscribe for more ghostly tales, and remember to hit that like button if you're brave enough. Sleep tight, ghost hunters.